Hello everyone, this is Venugopal. Today in this session, we will see the regular expressions in Python. The regular expression, that is in short, we can call this as RE, is a sequence of characters, is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. Basically, whenever we want to search inside one pattern, right, then we will generally form the regular expression sequence. So basically it can be used to if a string check if a string contains the specific pattern. If a string contains a specific pattern, that means what, whenever we want to represent a group of strings according to one particular pattern, then we shall go with regular expressions. That means, for example, if I want to search anything, for example, let us consider we need to search any string, for example, mn. This is a string, for example. You want to search this string m comma n, where inside, for example, string like mn something something mn something something mn. So if you want to search this mn, right, in this particular sequence, then we'll form a sequence of characters to search out of this pattern. So I want to search this mn pattern. Okay, for example, where it is found here at the 0th location, right? First m is found at 0 location, where it ends at nth location. But whenever we are saying about the end of the pattern, that will be always end plus 1. Okay, that means if it is a 0, this is 1, so end plus 1 means what, 2. Okay, so this is one kind of example. Obviously we are going to see 2 or 3 examples to better understand this. So the important thing is what, whenever we want to represent a group of string, this is a group of string, right, from the given string, then we will go for a regular expressions. So generally these regular expressions are used for the validations. These are used for validation purpose. So validations means what, whenever we form a GUI form, so generally in our projects we generally validate our mobile number, whether it is 10-digit mobile number or not, right? The minimum requirement is what, it should be 10 digits, or the mobile number should be start with 9, right, or it should start with 8, right? These are all the patterns. Okay, similarly if you want to search for any email id, so that must be in the following pattern, like something something at the rate of gmail.com. So this is basically used for validating the mobile numbers, email ids, passwords, or some group of patterns you want to search in a string. So whenever you want to use this regular expression in Python, there is one inbuilt module is available. That module name is called as RE. That is, RE stands for regular expression. So you need to compulsorily import RE module whenever you want, because this RE module contains a number of methods. Like we have a different method like compile, we have search method, we have find itr method, find find uh, this is used for iterating your string, right? The start method, there are a number of methods are available. Start method will always give the starting index. Start method, similarly we have end method, we have group method. These all are the different kind of method which are available in your RE module. So first of all, we will see one simple program, right, of to find the regular expressions in particular given string. So to do so, what we will do, we'll take one simple example. Here I'll write, first of all, we need to import that regular expression. Then I'm taking one string. data equals to any string. For example, I'm taking like no man's land, any string. You can take any string. Okay. And one variable, for example, dd or anything. For example, I'll take like m equals to, I want to search, right? The first letter and the second method, whether it is available in this particular no man's land or not. So what I will do, I'll use this module re dot search is a method available in this re module, regular expression model, right? Now I want to search. How to do that? We have some meta characters. Okay, for example, this is a what symbol used to start of the what we can say, to which letter you want to start. So before that you have to use this symbol. Okay. uh, for example, I want to search no, n, that is no man's land. In this no man's text I want to search the text which is start with n. Okay, so I'm taking no, then I'm putting dot. This dot stands for any character except a new line character. Okay, then we will put a star. This star means what? Either there may be a zero occurrence or there may be more occurrences. Okay, if found. Okay, what I want to search, the last one, suppose land. No man's land is there now, so I want to search a, for example, land. Okay, and I want to end over there. So if you want to end that particular search, you just put a dollar sign. Okay, and double quotes closed, comma, and you need to pass that string. Okay, from which you want to search this. I want to search in this data. What is this data? No man's land, right? This is a small text actually I have taken. No man's land. In this no man's land, I want to search the pattern. What is this pattern? Wherever the n start, right? No, and followed by some sequence of characters. This dot means. Star means any occurrence, either zero occurrence or first occurrence, whenever it will get, right? What I want here, I want to print the data. If m, I simply print match found. Else, print no match, right? So what a pattern I've set here, if my string, which is start with no, right, followed by some sequence of characters, then land is my last word. This is my first word, right? And land is the last word. This symbol represents what? Beginning of the characters to start with. And this dollar symbol represents the end of that particular word, character. Okay. Now if I'll execute this program, see, match found, because it is there in this particular string. For example, if I'll write something else, anything, how are you? Okay. And suppose if I'll execute one more time, now see, it is not matching because this string is not start with a no. Again, if I'll put like no here, okay, and if I'll execute once again, you can see this match means the string which is start with no. I hope you are getting. If this particular string, right, I have said the pattern is what, in my pattern, the string, whichever the string is starting with no, that n character, and followed by some sequence, no matter how many characters are there in between this no and this land. See, that is the reason why we have put this dot here. The dot means what? Any character except a new line character. Okay. Star means what? Any occurrence. The moment the L will be occurred, right? What happen? It will match the string. So that is the reason why if I'll execute this, you're getting what? Match found. And if I'll remove this no again, you observe carefully. And if I'll execute once again, no match. That means because when I started the search here, I have not found this string is not start with no or n character. Okay, so this is one of the simple example to understand regular expression. So basically regular expression is the sequence of character that forms a search pattern, is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. So in my pattern, what I said the pattern that my string, if the string is start with no and it will end with the land, then then you just identify, okay, fine, it will returns true. If it is true, that means match found. If it is false, the match is not found. Okay, so we'll stop here with this program. We'll come with the next one, our next one more regular expression program in my upcoming video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.